Why does my Snapchat notification sound not working? In this video, I'll show you how to fix if your Snapchat notification sound not working. So first of all, I'll show you two methods on how to fix this problem. First of all, now open up now your Snapchat app. After you open Snapchat, now go to this your emoji. After you open your emoji like this now go to this settings. After you open settings, scroll to down and go to this notifications, this one. After you open notifications, now tap on this enable. So it will take you to this option now. Tap on this, as you can see now, allow notifications. Tap on this allow button. So from this section now, they will send you a notification. Now if you now close this option now like this, now go back to your Snapchat. After you open Snapchat, go to this profile again. Now go to your menu, scroll to down, go to this notification again. So now as you can see now, your Snapchat notification has been enabled. So but if you do this but still your notification are not working on Snapchat, now try this second method. So the second method to fix this problem, now open the Snapchat again. After you open the Snapchat, now go and tap on this menu. After you open your profile like this, now go to this. After you come to this setting, scroll to down, go to notifications again. After you open the notifications like this now, scroll all the way to down. As you can see now, if you scroll to down, as you can see here, it says vibrating. So allow it. Sound, allow it. Ringtone, allow it. So after you turn on all this option, all you have to do now, go and now try, or if you try this still it's not working, go and update your Snapchat app. Just go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you update your Snapchat app. So after updating your Snapchat app, your problem will be solved. That's it guys on how to fix this problem of Snapchat notifications sound not working. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.